Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. There was no vocational activity except painting classes and some cloth rug making classes. Stop. There were only 3 machines in working condition out of 14 machines and they were 2 obsolete. Stop. No consumer product was being made. Stop. The ratio of prisoners per barrack is disproportionate. Stop. Around 150 inmates are suffered in barrack in which about 50 people can reside. Stop. There is separate barrack, that is barrack number 12, where the so-called VIP prisoners have been kept, where they have a gala good time in the prison with all good facilities provided to them. Stop. This barrack is having proper toilet and separate bathrooms. Stop. There are no lockers in the barracks, rather, all the belongings of the prisoners are laid on the floor or on the hook on the wall. Stop. The barracks are clustered and in a shabby condition. Stop. The inmates are forced to sleep practically in shifts and on the passage of the barrack. Stop. There is no facility of intercoms. Stop. There is no facility for video conferencing installed for a conference between central jail and courts. Stop. There is no nucleus maintenance staff available for regular repair works. Stop. The jail administration revealed about the insufficient staff and also about the fact that their salaries are not at par with that of police despite of the government order and order passed by this court. Stop para. The families of the prisoners informed that in order to meet their relatives, they have to pay a price as the meeting time is limited and the space becomes overcrowded. Stop. There is no proper mechanism and at the time of meeting there is a complete chaos and cacophonic sound. Stop. There is no proper segregation between convicts and under trial prisoners. Stop. Meeting of the parole advisory committee does not take place regularly. Stop. There has been no visit by the non-official visitors in last 6 months and the appointments of non-official visitors have been made recently after a gap of 2 years and that too after the order passed by this court. Stop. Board of Prisoners has not been constituted so far. Stop. The Supreme Court of India way back in 1997 in Rama Murthy versus State of Karnataka 1997 to SCC 642 observed that prison system in India is afflicted by 9 major problems, viz. Overcrowding, delay in trial, torture and ill treatment, neglect of health and hygiene, insubstantial food and inadequate clothing, prison vices, deficiency in communication, streamlining of jail visits and management of open air prisons. Stop. It was observed that overcrowding in jail affects health and hygiene and therefore must be taken care of. Stop. Recommendations of Mullah Committee made in Chapter 29 on the subject of giving proper medical facilities and maintaining Appropriate hygiene conditions should be considered and needed steps should be taken. Stop. Persons authorized should inspect the standard of food and clothing and need of complaint box in all jails should be considered. Stop. In all the aforesaid case, their leadership further observed that for taking care of the prison vices, something should be done to keep the thread of conjugal life unbroken. Stop. Para. Introduction of liberalized communication facilities is also required. Stop. Needful steps should be taken for streamlining jail visits and question of introduction of open air prisons at least in district headquarters of the country should be considered. Stop. In Muhammad Ghiyasuddin versus State of Andhra Pradesh 1997 3 SCC 287. The Supreme Court, speaking through Honorable Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer, recommended for introduction of mediation courses in jails for those who slips into crime for want of moral fiber, and also recommended sports, games and artistic activities for self-expression. Stop. In Hiralal versus State of Bihar 1977 4 SCC 44, His Lordship of the Supreme Court Honorable Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer observed that there is room for reform of the prisoners' progress within the limits of the Prison Act and rules, and the court, whose authority to sentence deprives the sentence of his constitutional freedoms to a degree, has the power and indeed the duty to invigorate the intramural man management so that the citizen inside has spacious opportunity to unfold his potential without over much inhibition or sadistic overseeing. Stop. Thank you.